Hello, this is Deanne from Smallbutkindamighty, and I am going to show you today how to make a yarn butterfly craft. Hopefully you got to this video via my blog, but if not, I will put a link to it in the description box. Please do check out smallbutkindamighty.com if you're interested in handmade toys, play-based learning, or crochet. I've just moved my site to a new platform and I'm really excited about it, so let me know what you think in the comments. My first playset is just about to be released. I'll put a link in the description so you can see it on my site, and it includes bees, a butterfly, a lavender plant and the sun. It currently comes with 2 stories, and the butterfly story involves 3 butterflies. So I've put together an easy craft that you can do with kids to make butterflies like these in 5 easy steps. You can then use these to enact the 3 butterflies story or make up your own stories about butterflies. Oh, and stay tuned because at the end of this video I will show you the next project I have for you, which is even easier to make than this one. So, step 1, materials. You will need 2 popsicle sticks. I've roughed mine up in the middle to create a surface the glue can more easily adhere to. A piece of dowling, or a pen or a pencil to wrap the antenna around. You'll also need yarn in 2 colours, a pipe cleaner, embellishments. I used pom-poms for the body, but you could also use buttons or beads, and a pair of eyes. For adhesive, I'm using hot glue for speed, but you might want to use Fabri-Tac, which has quick grab and dries clear. Or if you want a completely non-toxic option, then tacky glue is probably your best bet. For step 2, we're going to glue the popsicle sticks together in an X-wing shape, and then wrap the body coloured yarn around the middle. Once you're happy with the size and width of your body, then break your yarn and secure the tail ends together by tying them in a knot. For step 3, we're going to wrap the yarn around the wings in a figure 8. First, I secure the beginning tail end with a dab of glue and wrap the wing yarn around the side edge of the body section first, switching to wrapping in a figure 8 until the yarn reaches close to the end of the popsicle sticks. At this point, I also secure the finishing tail end with glue. Once both wings are done and the yarn ends are knotted and or glued down, then trim the ends and your butterfly will look like this. In step 4, we're going to glue the embellishments on to create a 3-part body, and the 5th and final step will be to add the pipe cleaner and eyes. To start, fold the pipe cleaner in half to create a U shape. Holding the bottom of the U at the back and bottom of the butterfly, cross the pipe cleaner ends and wrap them around the front and back of the body. Now, tuck the pipe cleaner ends under the cross section at the top and back of the butterfly, and then pull on the ends to lengthen the antenna and secure the pipe cleaner in place. Next, we are going to wrap the straight antenna tightly around the piece of dowling or pen or pencil or whatever you're using. once you've curved the antenna, make sure that the metallic end of the pipe cleaner is tucked in on itself, and then once that's complete and nice and safe, then repeat the process with the other antenna. The last part of step 5 is to glue on the eyes, and once that's done, your butterfly is finished. So I hope you found this 5-step yarn butterfly craft fun, and if you did, please do give the video a like. And if you want to see more content designed to help you encourage kids to learn and develop skills through play, then make sure to share the video with your friends. I promised that at the end of this video I would share with you a craft that's even easier to make and also uses pipe cleaners and yarn. The stories included with my first playset also include different types of flower, so I have a yarn flower craft for you that's great to incorporate with the stories or to make for holidays like Mother's Day. These yarn flowers are super easy to make and a little bit addictive, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my next project. See you next time. Bye for now.